I can tell it's going to be pretty stuck in here.
Yeah.
We're going to do our best to get some movement. There it is. All right. Take your time. Our shoulder is the biggest problem, right?
Mm-hmm.
And that's going to be on the left side.
Yep.
All right. Now, one of the things I know we talked about, so are you able to lift it at all upwards towards your head? I know we can't bring it back, right? So how far can you bring it back?
Right now,
So barely to the waistline or to the belt line? Okay. And the pain is right in here.
yeah.
So right onto the side of the shoulder here. Okay. What about bringing your arm up to the top?
No.
That's as far as you're able to. Okay. All right. So I know we have shoulder problems. Now you said the neck pain.
Mm-hmm.
That is where? Down at the base of the neck?
Yeah.
Or more towards the top?
The base.
The base of the neck, right over here,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then lower back. Where do you typically feel your lower back?
There.
Right down in the bottom?
Yep.
Okay. Okay. Well, let's take a look at you because I know your x-rays were showing a lot of wear and tear, especially in that neck.
Mm-hmm.
So what we're going to do, I'm going to scan you with this. We're going to see how things are looking.
Okay.
And then take a look at where there might be some areas of inflammation or irritation here, okay? Yeah, so the needle's just literally just flicking over to the side. And right there. Okay. Let's take a look at you. Let's see what's going on. Alright, so I can already tell right now just the amount of stress or swelling right in this area. Any soreness or tenderness when I push on there. 6, 7, and then 1. Any pain?
6, 7.
6 and 7 a bit more.
Mm-hmm.
Here's T7, T6, 6, and then 7. Any pain or soreness there?
A little bit.
Not as much as the neck.
Oh, yeah.
Alright. There's definitely some stress. This is definitely more swollen.
Mm-hmm.
There's a problem in this area right
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
But it's definitely not as bad as the neck. And again, this is the one where that joint, that's pretty much worn out quite a bit there. So it's definitely a chronic issue for both the lower back and the neck. It's been going on for some time. So I'm glad you're here, man. Let's get you started here. All right, we're probably going to start just to be safe on that sacrum or that tailbone, and then we'll take a look if we have to work up a little bit to your L5, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Let's get this going here. So C5, we're going to do that on the left side. See if I can get some good movement on there. All right, so just so you know, when I do the adjustment, you might hear a little bit of a popping noise.
Mm-hmm.
And that will be just fine. Good. Alright, so I'm just going to get a little bit of a push right here. All you got to do is relax your left shoulder. Yeah. And as you relax your shoulder, you're going to look up just a little bit. Ooh, real tight.
Yep.
Wow. A little bit more. I might need to get you on the right side here, but one more here. Relax. Good. There it is. Good. I can tell it's going to be pretty stuck in here. So we're going to do our best to get some movement and see what we get today, okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So I'm going to roll you just a little bit. Not too much though, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Just a bit. There you go. All right. All I want to do is going to give a little bit of a push right here, okay? Let that shoulder relax. A little bit more. There it is. All right. Take your time. And I'm just going to give a little bit of a nudge on this. I don't want to do too deep of an adjustment. I just want to start the process on this. Good. Good. Breathing in. Let it out. Good. And one more time. Breathing in. And then out. Good. Good. Alright, so just with those adjustments, We haven't even touched your shoulder yet.
Yep.
I want you to see how far we can bring your shoulder back. Bring the shoulder back, or the arm back. Bring it back towards the back. Okay, still got pretty much, pretty restricted there.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna just do a little bit of mobility in that shoulder, and then that's where we're gonna start it, okay?
Okay.
So, because there's so much restriction, I don't wanna do too much. We're just gonna ease it in there, okay? So let's just get you some movement in here. Let's see how that is gonna do.
This one's gonna hurt.
Yeah, you might
I'm
have
really scared.
quite a bit of soreness here, okay? So, and we're just gonna start it just to see what we have available. So movement helps to pump out some of that swelling, and that's extremely important, especially right now. Good. Yeah, we're already able to get some increase in height in that elbow, or that shoulder. I'm just gonna bring this right on over here. Right here. And I'm just gonna give a little bit of a nudge in here, okay? Again, not too much, just enough to get that joint to come back a little bit, okay? It's gonna be a little sore.
Yep.
But we'll do it real brief, okay? So just relax that shoulder. Bring that chin down just a little bit. Chin down. Good, there you go. And relax the neck, relax. Good, and a little bit of a nudge. Good, one more here. Good, there. One more, and that's all we got. There, okay. Any pain with that?
Not really.
Okay, good. Lean back towards me. There you go, good. Alright, so that's gonna be it for today, okay?
Yep.
Alright, let me talk about what we just did today. We did a few things today, alright? The first thing we did your neck, right? So we have that C5. You can tell that's the one where that disc is very narrowed here. It's been that way for a long time. So when that joint misaligns and it shifts back, it doesn't allow for proper movement, so that disc starts to get dehydrated and gets worn out. So that's that C5, and that's the one that we're trying to push back where it needs to be. But once we get proper movement in there, again, our goal is not to reverse that degenerative process, but we want to try to slow down that process as much as possible, okay? The other thing we did your tailbone. Again, that disc has been worn out quite a bit as well. So we scoop that underneath that, trying to get some mobility in there. So again, trying to get some movement to get some nutrients back in and pushing out some of the inflammation or toxins there, okay? And then the last one, we just nudged that T6 right into there, and we did some movement on your left shoulder, all right? So it's going to be a bit of a process. I'm not expecting a huge miracle.
Exactly.
But as we get more and more movement in those joints, you're going to start to get more and more movement in the shoulder, and also even in your neck as well, okay? So you just got to give it some time.
Oh, yeah.
How are you feeling right now?
Very confident.
Yeah? Good. Good, man. Well, I'm glad you're here. We're going to do some great things for you. It's just a matter of time, okay? We just got to let your body go through the process of
Be
healing.
patient.
Yeah, that's how it is, man. That's what we got to do.
Yeah.
All right. Well, Daniel, you're all set, man. Good first adjustments. We did some really good things for you today, man.
Thank you.
C5, T6, and then sacrum here. All right. Well, you're all set. We will see you then. Are we setting you up for tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay. If we can see you tomorrow, we'll see how you're doing. And then as we continue through the care, we're going to keep measuring, see how you're doing with the shoulder, okay?
Okay.
All right, man. You're all set.
All right.
Really quick, actually, I want to just see, can you move your shoulder back? How's that feeling right now? Is it pretty sore still?
Not as before.
Not as sore?
I mean, I know there was something better came.
Yeah. And you'll start to feel, I mean, it's still going to be sore, but the more we get movement in there, the more it's going to ease off some of that tension. So it's just little by little, all right?
Yeah.
All right, man. You're all set. We'll see you next time, okay?
All right.
All right, Daniel.
Thank you.
Have a good day.